Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to do beginner skating skills exercises. So we will start with forward outside chasse, trying to work on power, extension and edges, bending your knees and ankles as much as you can. Next going to be backward chasse. We're going to work same as forward outside chasse on deep knees and ankles, holding your arms out and back straight. Next one will be forward outside cross rolls. Bend your knees and ankles before you push and extend your free leg after the push. We're going to repeat the same backward outside, and then we're going to move to power pulls. We're going to do one foot across the whole ice, keeping your free leg in front, turn out and point, and trying to get power by bending and straightening your skating leg. I'm going to do other leg. Pressing on outside and inside edges, going down on the circle and up when you change your edge. Backward power pulls. They are harder when you're a beginner, but then as you practice, they will get easier. And we're going to do same on the other foot. Knees and ankles, work up and down. And nice landing position at the end. Next will be mohawks. We'll start from forward inside, 3-step mohawk and forward crossover between. Next one is 3-step forward outside mohawk, right and left leg. Toe steps. We're going to do to the left, cross in front and to the right. You can start working on this on a circle and doing just one direction. Forward inside, backward outside, backward outside. That's the beginning of Choctaws. Combination with mohawk, backward crossover and forward crossover. We're going to do one direction, one foot, and then we're going to do other foot. Forward crossover, mohawk, backward crossover. Three turns. Forward outside 3-turn with backward crossover. Alternate to work both directions. And then we're going to do forward inside 3-turn into forward crossover. Again from right leg and then from left leg. Now we're going into backward 3 turns. We will start with a backward outside 3 turn, change your foot, inside edge, and then mohawk. And again, backward outside 3 turn, change your foot, inside mohawk. You continue this both directions. And then backward inside 3 turn, swing into forward inside mohawk. And we finish our practice with lunges. On one foot. And then other foot. Trying to stay 5 counts in each position. Then spirals on a straight line. Back arched. Arms out, leg above hip level, and then try other side, other leg. Straight your knees, turn out, point, nice extension. And last one will be shoot the duck, which very important exercise for seat spin. Reach forward more with your arms and upper body and try to get as low as you can. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.